Hello Odoo, I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we are going to learn how to add invoice amount in Word, and we can show in the invoice reports, right? So this is standard functionality in Odoo. So let's say to configure this we need to go to invoice application, configuration, settings, and here if we go down to customer invoices section here, and here you can see this checkbox total amount of invoice in letters, and we will checkbox checked and we will save this. And if I go to invoices, if I let's say open this one, and let's say this is the amount here, I just click on print PDF, and let's say if I open that PDF, here you can see total amount in words, right? So this is how it will visible in the invoice report. This is company based, whatever our currency and the amount, based on that it will print. Let's say if I create a new invoice, and if we have multi-currency enabled, and if we change to the different currency, then also it will print in that specific invoice currency.